Hello everyone, welcome back to Ekraft Geeks. Today I would like to explain the topic power electronics and its systems. As you see, the following contents we are going to do in this presentation are what are power electronics, the concept of power electronics, the power conversion systems, the block diagram of power electronic system, the power semiconductor devices, and advantages and disadvantages. So let's begin. What are power electronics? Power electronics is the art of converting electrical energy from one form to another in an efficient, clean, compact, and robust manner for convenient utilization. Power electronics is a subject that deals with the apparatus and equipment on working on the principle of electronics but rated at power level rather than signal level. Now let us learn on the concept of power electronics. As we see, power electronics belongs partly to power electronics and partly to electronics engineering. In power engineering is mainly concerned with generation, transmission, distribution, and utilization of electric energy at high frequency. Power engineering is also based mainly on electromagnetic principles, while on the other hand, in electronics engineering is guided by distortionless production, transmission, and reception of data and signals of very low power levels of order of a few watts or milliwatts without much consideration to the efficiency. Electronics engineering is also based upon physical phenomenon in vacuum gases or vapor. Concept of power electronics. Since we know that power electronics is the art of converting electrical energy from one form to another, there is a system that helps in the power conversion process. This system is called power conversion system. The term power conversion system can be classified according to the type of input and output power, that is AC to DC, DC to AC, DC to DC, and AC to AC. In order to explain the concept of power conversion system easily, here is a topology based on the power conversion system. Block diagram of a power electronic system. As you can see, here is a block diagram of a typical power electronic system. In the block diagram, there is a controller power circuit that is attached to the isolation through the power supply. After learning about power electronics and its concepts and the conversion system along with the block diagram, let us study about the power semiconductor devices. A power semiconductor device is a semiconductor device that is used as a switch or rectifier in power electronics. Such a device is also called or known as power device. The power semiconductor devices are classified into two devices, that is three terminal devices and two terminal devices. These devices are further classified into many devices. As explained in the earlier slide, power semiconductor devices are classified into two devices, that is three terminal devices and two terminal devices. The devices are further classified in three terminal devices are power MOSFET, JFET, IGBT, BJT, thyristor. And in two terminal devices, they are PN diode and Schottky diode. Advantages and disadvantages of power electronics. In advantages, power electronics have high efficiency due to low loss in power semiconductor devices. They also have a high reliability of power electronic converter system. They are long life and less maintenance due to absence of any moving part, and they have fast dynamic response compared to electromechanical converter system. While speaking about disadvantages in power electronics, the circuits have a tendency to generate harmonics in the supply system as well as a load circuit. AC to DC and AC to AC converter operate at a low input power factor under certain operating condition. The regeneration of power in power electronics is difficult and the controllers have a low overhead capacity. And that is the end on the topic power electronics and system. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Ekraft Geeks. Thank you so much. See you next time.